Problem number 4. 150 grams of water was added to 250 grams of 20% by mass aqueous sugar solution. What is the percentage concentration by mass of new solution? Let's start by writing down what we know and what we need to calculate in this problem. We know already mass of solution 1 equals 250 grams. We know percentage concentration by mass, PCM, our words percent mass over mass, equals 20%. And we know mass add water, 150 grams. We are looking for percentage concentration by mass in second solution. In other words, percent mass over mass. So in our beaker, in first solution or initial solution, we have mass of solute 1 and mass of solvent 1. We know mass of the solution, mass of solution 1 equals 250 grams. We know also percentage concentration by mass in this solution is 20%, percent mass over mass. So we add 150 grams of water. And now we have second solution. So mass of solute 2 and mass of solvent 2. Mass of solute in second solution is equal mass of solute in first solution. Mass of solvent in second solution equals mass of solvent in first solution plus 150 grams because we add water. So mass of this solution, mass of solution 2 equals mass of solution 1 plus 150 grams. So equals 250 grams plus 150 grams equals 400 grams. To calculate percentage concentration by mass in second solution, we need to know mass of solution in second solution, mass of solution number 2, we know already. And we need to calculate mass of solute 2. Mass of solute 2 equals mass of solute 1. So now we have to calculate mass of solute 1. Let's solve this problem in two ways, based on proportion and based on a formula. First way, proportion. So in 100 grams of solution, first solution, this one. In 100 grams of solution, there is 20 grams of solute. Why? Because percentage concentration by mass is the number of grams of solute in 100 grams of solution. So for solution number 1, percentage concentration by mass is 20%. So in 100 solution number 1 is 20 there is 20 grams of solute. We have 250 grams of solution. So there is X grams of solute. So we calculate X by cross multiplying this proportion. So 100 grams times X equals 250 grams times 20. To solve for X, we need to divide both sides by 100 grams. X equals 250 grams times 20 grams over 100 grams equals 50 grams of solute. So we see right now that in first solution mass of solute is 50 grams. So mass of solute 2 is equal mass of solute 1. So mass of solute 2 is 50 grams. Now we have mass of solution and mass of solute. So now we are ready to calculate percentage concentration by mass in second solution. In 400 grams of solution 2 is 50 grams of solute. So in 100 grams of solution 2 is X grams of solute. X equals 100 grams times 50 grams over 400 grams. So is 50 grams over 4 equals 12.5 grams. So solute. So now we see 12.5 grams solute is in 100 grams of solution. So this is answer for this problem. The percentage concentration by mass of resulting solution is 12.5%. So it's 12.5% by mass. Now, let's solve this problem in second way based on formula. Second way, formula. Percentage concentration by mass, percent mass over mass, equals mass of solute over mass of solution multiplied 100%. So we know already percentage concentration by mass in solution number 1 is 20%. We know already. We know mass of solution. What we need to calculate is mass of solute in solution number 1. So we need to transform this formula. PCM over 1 equals mass solute times 100% over mass of solution. We calculate mass of solute cross multiplying. So mass of solute times 100% equals PCM1 times mass of solution. To solve for mass of solute, we need to divide both sides by 100%. So mass of solute 1 equals PCM1 times mass of solution 1 over 100% equals 20% times 250 grams over 100% equals 50 grams solute. So 50 grams of solute number 1 and solute number 2, mass of solute number 2, is equal mass of solute number 1. So it's again 50 grams. Now let's calculate percentage concentration by mass in second solution. So PCM in second solution is mass of solute 2 over mass of solution 2 multiplied by 100%. So PCM2 equals mass of solute 50 grams over mass of solution 400 grams by multiply by 100%. So percentage concentration by mass in second solution equals grams. So it's 50% over 4 equals 12.5%. Of course, answer is the same, like on the base of proportion. So the percentage concentration by mass in second solution or of the resulting solution is 12.5%. Okay, guys, so you decide which way is easier for you. We solve this problem on two ways, based on proportion and based on formula. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to be notified about the next videos. I also invite you to leave comments. Now we move on to the next problem.